12774.
All right, so we are just waiting for Enos, Mason, to finish up after I have stolen his son. And I will just have you kind of follow around with the guys. Junior, if you want to take a walk around the shop, show everybody what's out there, and then come on back and we'll get the live going. Okay, bye, Mason.
And you duplicate it and add what you need added.
Yeah, I'll see how you do it.
Alrighty, going out to the shop. Just getting ready to shut everything down. You're live on Facebook. Yeah. Just getting everything shut down, turn the lights off. Getting everything done. We're live. Alright. Let's head back in, see if they're ready for us.
Well, I figured there was enough to get out of there.
Here we go.
Welcome back. Hey, Enos. How are we doing?
I'm almost done, I promise.
We still need more numbers. This thing is halfway full. Only one winner.
And I noticed you like tripled the bucket size from last time now.
I had to. It almost didn't fit. So that's the consequence of that.
Almost didn't fit without shaking.
Yes. Like they could not shake it.
I'm gonna walk around with this tub.
Nikolai just let you know.
Have fun, guys.
Mason.
Well, weekend. Oh, want to say hi?
We used, we don't have 3/16 line in inventory. We'll figure it out on Monday.
Hey, Nick. Do you want to explain what we're giving away?
We are giving away a 2-day, 1-night vacation to the Kalahari Resort, which is looks to be a safari-themed water park. And yeah, so you can go and take your kids, or Q will go with you if you want him, or if you
You
don't.
don't want that.
Yeah, you don't want that. He's been kicked out of there a few times.
Right.
We don't need that. Yeah, that's what we're giving away. Nice stay.
There he is.
Oh, little man.
Oh, you're going to steal your child?
Yes, I am.
All right, but for only a minute. Ah, my hand. Thank you.
Holding his alleged son.
Hello, everybody. What are we doing?
We're giving away your Mercedes.
Not today. Not today.
Oh, so that's next month?
Yeah.
Next month is exciting, though.
Yeah. Are we ready? Everybody here?
You ready?
Yeah.
Are you guys ready? Okay.
How do we do?
Well, you have that whole half a tub,
Really not that many.
and then
Holy moly.
you have my 3 pages front and back. So,
Good golly. Wow, thank you guys for participating on Facebook and
Instagram.
YouTube, Instagram, everything. That's awesome. Thank you guys so much.
Cute, what are you doing?
Yeah, there's not a whole lot to say here except
Let's see who the winner is.
Kalahari. It's a water park. 4 people, 2 days, 1 night.
Good work.
That was great.
That pretty much
Look
covers
at you.
it, yeah.
You figured it
You
out.
finally got it.
Yeah.
Do you
And
know
it's
what
finally,
days?
it's finally nice and warm.
It is.
Dude,
Yeah,
you're doing better.
yeah, I know. I'm working on it.
Proud of you.
See, it's because Mason's here to give me moral support.
The Mason want to pick?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, yeah.
What are the
That- that-
days
that would
that
be
they're going to
funny.
be there? It would be funny. Addie did the one.
I don't know
time.
what the dates are.
Turn around.
I should turn around. Oh, May 7th,
17.
17, and 18.
It's the Amish in you. 7.
That's offensive.
You'll be all right. Bill's character.
All right, did you mix them up?
Oh, yeah.
There you go.
Let's see if he'll pick one out.
Mason, come on,
Mason,
buddy.
you gonna pick one out?
Oh, he's
he's
going.
going,
Yeah,
he's going to-
it's
he's
like
gonna-
a human style claw machine.
Ah. Oh, so
Come on,
close.
oh, so close. Get one.
Get one.
Oh, he does. He's
Hold
got
on.
a few here.
We gotta.
Oh, no.
That's okay. This
Mason, you
is
can't get it in the tub.
Just
Have
one.
you worked the claw machine before? Come on.
There we go. Grab one. Oh,
Oh yeah. Hold on here. Let's
Oh.
hear. There's the one he grabbed.
that's the one?
Let's
All right,
do it.
Mason. Let's read it out. All right. I have 592. 592. All right. And then Annie will see who the lucky winner is.
So 592, and I will show you the paper, is Aubrey Garmany.
Woo!
So congratulations, Aubrey. You are the winner of the Kalahari giveaway. Unfortunately, I cannot message you on our Facebook, so if you could message me, that would be super awesome, and I can get the tickets and all the info to you. Thanks, Aubrey.
All right.
Yay.
Again, thanks everybody for participating. We really do appreciate it. Aubrey, congratulations, and thanks again. Anything else? No?
Good to go.
They're still here, Q? Yeah.
Thanks a lot.